What is a governing law clause in contracts? Imagine signing a contract with someone in a different country or state. How do you know which laws will decide what happens if there's a dispute? That's where a governing law clause comes in. A governing law clause is a part of a contract that states which legal system or set of laws will be used to interpret and enforce the agreement. It helps both parties understand what rules will apply if disagreements arise. Usually, you find this clause in the terms and conditions section of a contract. It might say something like, "This agreement shall be governed by and construed in accordance with the laws of the state of California." That means any legal questions or disputes will be decided based on California law. Having this clause is very important because different places have different rules about contracts. Without it, courts might struggle to decide which laws to use, leading to delays and higher legal costs. It also makes the process clearer for everyone involved. Many common mistakes happen with governing law clauses. Some people forget to include one at all, which leaves courts to figure out which laws apply. This can cause unpredictability and disputes. Others choose a law that has no real connection to the contract or the parties involved. This can make enforcement difficult or confusing. It's also common to confuse governing law with jurisdiction. Governing law decides what laws apply, while jurisdiction refers to which court will hear the case. Both should be clearly written in the contract to avoid mix-ups. To avoid these errors, it's best to pick a law that makes sense for your situation. For example, if you are doing business in New York, choosing New York law is usually a safe bet. Be sure to clearly state this in the contract and keep it separate from the jurisdiction clause. In the end, a well-drafted governing law clause helps prevent legal confusion and saves time and money. It makes sure everyone knows which rules will be used if a disagreement happens. Paying attention to this part during contract drafting and negotiations is a smart move to keep things simple and clear later on.